Stressed out? Time to unwind. Welcome to True Life Transformation. Here we guide you to ultimate relaxation. Today, we're diving into a simple but powerful breathing exercise. Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly through your nose, letting the air fill your lungs. Hold it for a moment. Now, exhale gently through your mouth. Imagine you're in a field of flowers or by the ocean, feeling the gentle breeze. Let your mind wander to these peaceful places. With each breath, release your worries. Breathe in calm. Breathe out stress. Continue this rhythm, focusing only on your breath. Feel the tension melt away. Repeat this exercise as often as you need. Your journey to relaxation starts here. Subscribe for more wellness tips and true life transformations. Remember, you deserve this moment of peace. Stay serene, stay well. Until next time.
Longevity is more than just a buzzword, it's a central theme in today's health discussions. With advancements in medicine, people are living longer lives. However, the quality of those years is equally important. The focus has shifted to not just adding years to life, but life to those years. Achieving this requires a combination of good nutrition, lifestyle changes, and scientific advancements. Many people today are seeking ways to enhance the quality of their later years. The interest in extending lifespan naturally leads to the study of diets and genetics. These are two powerful tools at our disposal. By understanding and applying them, we can significantly impact our health and longevity. It's not just about living longer, it's about living better. Research into longevity has shown promising results. Scientists are uncovering the secrets behind longer, healthier lives. Nutrition and genetics stand out as key factors. Through careful study and application of these fields, we can potentially unlock the secrets to a longer, disease-free life. The journey to longevity is a complex but exciting one. Balanced nutrition is the cornerstone of a healthy life. It plays a pivotal role in maintaining cellular health. Cells are the building blocks of our bodies. Keeping them healthy is essential for preventing diseases. When our nutrition is optimal, our cells function optimally too. This helps us resist illnesses and maintain vitality. Good nutrition consists of various components. These include fiber, proteins, amino acids, and antioxidants. Each has a unique role in our health. Together, they form a complete system that supports our body's needs. Proper nutrition helps in managing weight, improving mood, and boosting energy levels. It's a comprehensive approach to health. Preventive nutrition aims to ward off potential health problems before they start. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is crucial. This type of diet provides essential nutrients and promotes overall well-being. It's about making choices that support long-term health. By focusing on nutrition, we can enhance our body's natural defenses. The link between diet and disease prevention is well documented. Eating a balanced diet reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes are less likely with good nutrition. By prioritizing what we eat, we take control of our health. Nutrition is a powerful tool in the quest for longevity. Key nutrients are essential for promoting health and longevity. Fiber is one of these critical components. It supports digestive health and helps maintain a healthy weight. Fiber is also linked to lower risks of chronic diseases. Including fiber-rich foods in your diet is an easy way to boost health. Protein and amino acids are equally important. They are vital for muscle function and tissue repair. Amino acids, the building blocks of protein, are crucial for various bodily functions. These include immune response and hormone production. Consuming adequate protein supports these essential processes. Antioxidants are another key nutrient group. They protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This reduces the risk of infections and chronic diseases. Vitamins C and E are well-known antioxidants. Including antioxidant-rich foods in your diet is crucial for longevity. Each of these nutrients plays a significant role in health. Together, they create a balanced diet. Such a diet supports cellular health and overall well-being. By focusing on these key nutrients, we can enhance our quality of life. Nutrient-packed diets are a foundation for longevity. Section 4. Genetic advancements in longevity. Genetic advancements are opening new doors in the quest for longevity. Research in this field is rapidly evolving. Scientists have identified genes linked to long lives. One such gene is FOXO3. It is associated with cellular repair and stress resistance. Understanding this gene offers insights into extending lifespan. Genetic manipulation has shown promising results. For example, scientists have increased yeast lifespan through genetic changes. This research provides valuable insights. It helps us understand how genetics control aging. Such findings could lead to breakthroughs in human health. Other longevity-related genes include CISD2 and Clotho. CISD2 is linked to mitochondrial function. Clotho, on the other hand, regulates proteins involved in aging. Research into these genes is ongoing. They hold the potential for developing anti-aging therapies. The study of genetics is crucial in understanding longevity. It complements the role of nutrition. Together they offer a holistic approach to health. Genetic research provides hope for new interventions. These advancements are paving the way for longer, healthier lives. Section 5. Synergy of nutrition and genetic research. The combination of nutrition and genetics is a powerful tool. Together they enhance health and longevity. Nutrition provides the necessary building blocks. Genetics offers insights into how these blocks are used. This synergy is key to unlocking the secrets of long life. Understanding gene-diet interactions is vital. It helps tailor nutrition to individual genetic profiles. This personalized approach can optimize health outcomes. Nutrition and genetics together can improve metabolic health. This holistic view is essential for effective interventions. The role of the microbiome is also significant. It connects our diet and genes. A healthy microbiome supports overall well-being. Research in this area highlights the importance of a balanced diet. It underscores the synergy between nutrition and genetics. By combining these fields, we can maximize their benefits. Nutrition provides the foundation, and genetics offers the blueprint. Together, they create a comprehensive strategy for health. This approach empowers individuals to take control of their longevity. Section 6. Practical steps for a nutrient-packed diet. Adopting a nutrient-packed diet is essential. Start by incorporating various fiber-rich foods. These include fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Such foods support digestive health and reduce disease risk. They are simple yet effective dietary additions. Lean proteins are another important component. Include sources like fish, poultry, and legumes in your meals. These provide necessary amino acids. They support muscle function and repair. A diet rich in protein is crucial for overall health. Antioxidant-rich foods should also be part of your diet. Foods like berries, nuts, and dark chocolate are excellent choices. They help protect cells from damage. These foods are both healthy and delicious. Beyond diet, consider genetic testing. It can identify longevity-related genes. This information is valuable for personalizing health strategies. It helps tailor diet and lifestyle choices to genetic profiles. Such proactive steps offer significant health benefits. Section 7. Conclusion. Integrating nutrition and genetics. Integrating nutrition and genetics offers a promising path to longevity. By focusing on these areas, we can enhance health outcomes. Nutrition provides the necessary tools for cellular health. Genetics offers insights into using these tools effectively. A holistic approach is key to maximizing benefits. By combining dietary improvements with genetic insights, we can take proactive steps. This integration empowers individuals to improve their quality of life. It offers a comprehensive strategy for health and longevity. The journey to a longer, healthier life is within reach. By understanding and applying these concepts, we can make significant strides. Nutrition and genetics are powerful allies. Together, they pave the way for a brighter, healthier future. In summary, the synergy of these fields is transformative. It offers hope for enhanced longevity and disease prevention. By embracing these advancements, we can truly unlock the secrets of a long, healthy life.